Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to create a hero section for app landing page and partners logo animation in Figma, no coding needed. In this video, we'll explore the design process for creating an engaging hero section and an animated partner's logo display in Figma. We'll walk through the steps to build a clean, modern hero layout with striking visuals and clear calls to action, optimized for desktop and mobile. Then we'll dive into animating partner logos to create a smooth scrolling effect, adding a professional and interactive element to the design. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of building visually captivating and functional elements that enhance user experience in Figma.